Hey friends, it's Caitlin, SNAP Ed Nutrition Educator here in Waldo County, Maine. I've got a fun salad for you today. We're doing a bruschetta salad. So bruschetta is that appetizer with the bread, and then usually the tomatoes are mixed together almost like a salsa and put on top. But we're actually going to make it into a salad, so we're going to stir it all together. So I chopped some tomatoes, and then I chopped some basil. I tried to roll it up and then slice it perpendicular to make these pretty little curls. That's called a chiffonade. And then I had like half or maybe like a third of a red onion and I added that in there. And you'll see in the recipe in the link in the description box below that it calls for croutons, but I didn't have any croutons. However, I did have two bread nubs that were pretty stale and they worked perfectly. This is great for leftover garlic bread or that, like I said, the last two pieces of bread that are on the counter that are going to go to waste unless you get a little creative. And then I really should have measured this out because, of course, as soon as I looked at the camera, I overglugged it. So there's a little drizzle of olive oil. Then I did some salt and pepper. Just tried to keep it all simple. Um, you can tell I couldn't realize my hand was in that last shot. And then I topped it with some balsamic glaze. You could just do like a drizzle of balsamic vinegar, but I had this glaze. I think it was another Rennie's, fine. And because it's a glaze, it does have sugar, so I used a little bit less than normal. I just did a pretty little swirl and then mixed it all together. I made one with green tomatoes in the beginning of the spring. You could swap up the onion, switch out the herbs, play with it, make it your own. I added a little garlic in the end. And there you have it, a quick, simple, elevated salad. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, head to mainsnaped.org for more.